Types of machines. First is a manual where you control the process. Coffee tastes great, but you need to learn a little bit. Think of it like driving a manual car. The second one is the semi-automatic machine. This category is where you'll have the most balanced experience. And the third one is fully automatic, also called bean to cup. You just press one button and it does everything for you, from grinding to cleaning, basically zero effort. So your choice depends on one thing. How involved do you want to be? How much do you want to impress your family and friends when you invite them over? Product number 1 is the Vantro Espresso coffee machine, 20 bar. This one is the budget pick. This is a semi-automatic style machine, so you get some control without it being complicated. 20 bar pressure, touch controls, and a huge 1.8 liter tank, so you aren't refilling constantly. It even has a stainless steel body, which is rare for this price point. And honestly, it looks way more expensive than it is. It's a good starting point if you are testing the waters. The second one is the DeLonghi Dedica style. It's compact, it's only 15 centimeters wide, and it uses a thermoblock tech to heat up in just 40 seconds. It uses a pressurized basket, so you get the perfect crema even if your coffee grind isn't perfect. It's basically a beginner's safety net. And the biggest thing, thousands of great reviews. So if you don't want to overthink, this is the safest choice for you. The third product is the DeLonghi La Specialista Touch. Now, this is where things get serious. This is a semi-automatic, plus it's got advanced features. It has a built-in smart grinder and sensors that tell you exactly how hard to tamp. You can even make cold brew in under 5 minutes and switch between automatic and manual milk frothing. This is not just a coffee, this is a full-blown cafe experience. Product number 4 is the Philips LatteGo Espresso machine. This is for people who want zero effort. One touch for espresso or cappuccino. It uses 100% ceramic grinders that are built to last for 20,000 cups. The LatteGo milk system has no tubes, so you can clean it in 15 seconds under the tap. No mess. So if you want a good cup of coffee without learning anything, I think this is the perfect machine that you should consider. So here's how to choose. If you are on a budget and want a pro look, go for the Vantro. If you have a tiny kitchen and need space, go for Dedica. If you want a full cafe experience plus a cold brew, I think the La Specialista is the one for you. And if you want zero effort and easy cleaning, I think you should go for the Philips. And that's it. No more confusion. All the links are in the description. Pick what fits your style. And once you get one, don't be surprised if people start coming to your place for coffee more often.